Bum 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 bum.
Tomatoes?
Hello, welcome to the video for what is lifespan. Let me run through our example. We actually have a few different nodes to cover in here. When I hit play, we just have a whole bunch of stuff going on. Some spinning blocks and some nodes, just some spheres just hanging out. Now if I hit do something, lifespan 2.0, and then our spinning box has disappeared. So what just happened? Well, we used our lifespan variable, which basically gives a time of death to an actor, and after that time, the actor will destroy itself. Now, there are a few different ways to go about this, so let's look at them. First of all, let's open up one of our boxes. If we open up one of our boxes, it's pretty simple. I'm just having it rotate. This really doesn't matter. But under the class defaults, if we drop down this little teeny box right here, there's a bunch of options. But right above it is initial lifespan. By default, it's going to be 0 on any new actors. However, if you want something to auto-destroy itself after a certain time, you would adjust this. Let's go ahead and do that now. Let me adjust this to 4 seconds. I'll go ahead and compile and hit play, and I'm not going to do anything. Now each of these items should have a 4-second lifespan, and as you saw there, they went ahead and destroyed themselves automatically after 4 seconds. So this is great for things where you want something to have a fixed lifespan from the start. Maybe you have a missile and it's a shooting game and you know that at the worst it's going to take 4 seconds to get from the bottom of the screen to the top. So go ahead and set the lifespan to something like 6, and then you don't have to worry about destroying it when it's off the screen. They'll take care of themselves. It's nice and handy. Let's set this back. Actually, let's keep this at 4. Now let's go ahead and go back to our node for the utilities lifespan. Here's my example here. We can basically ignore the beginning part. I'm just getting all my boxes. And we're going to look at a couple nodes. We actually have 3 of them. The initial lifespan, get lifespan, and set lifespan. Let me go ahead and pull up the initial lifespan node. And we're going to go ahead and disconnect our set of the lifespan. We'll hook up our print. And all we're going to do is when I hit the button, we're going to get the lifespan of our boxes. Let me go ahead and hit play, click the button, 4.0. That is correct. We set an initial lifespan to 4 seconds by using the initial lifespan node on an actor. It'll tell you what the initial lifespan is. The initial lifespan being this value here. Let's go ahead and look at another one. We're going to go ahead and plug in the get lifespan node. We're going to go ahead and hit play again, and we're going to go ahead and hit this button. And you notice we actually have a different number here. Get lifespan gets the current remaining lifespan of the actor. So that's something to note here. This is you want to know how much time it has left. This is you want to know how much time it started with. So get lifespan is the current time if it's counting down, or 0 if it's living forever. And initial is going to be 0 if it's living forever, or whatever it started with. Let's go ahead and hook up our other node here. This is our set lifespan node. Set lifespan allows us to modify the lifespan after it's been created. At any time we can modify it. Let's go to our box BP and set it back to 0. We're going to go ahead and we're going to hit play. And then nothing should happen. After our 4 seconds, the boxes will keep spinning because the lifespan is 0. We hit do something. It tells us our lifespan is 2 and our boxes are deleted. Well, that's because, again, we went into here, we told it once we clicked the button to let this lifespan to be equal to 2, and then we printed out the lifespan current. And to show that is the current one, I'm just going to add a delay in here. After I set the lifespan, we're going to wait half a second, and then we're going to print out the lifespan. We hit play again, watch the delay here, do something, lifespan 1.5 and a few other things, and then they get destroyed. So that shows that this is updated in real time. And that's pretty much it. Lifespan is a way for you to give an actor a lifespan. That is the value it's going to have before it destroys itself. You have the initial lifespan, which can be set inside of your defaults on an actor. You have the ability to get the initial lifespan with the get initial lifespan node. You can get the current lifespan with the get lifespan node. And then you can set the lifespan of an actor by using the set lifespan node. Now, keep in mind, because it's continually ticking down, we could give ourselves more lifespan. So let's say you have a bomb, and the bomb has a timer that's ticking down. Let's give the bomb a lifespan of 10 seconds. You have the ability to maybe go around the level and collect things that will increase the current remaining time of the bomb. So you could use something like this. Set the lifespan of the bomb to 10 seconds and let it count down. As it's counting down, you can continue just simply adding or setting. You can get the current lifespan, add 2 seconds to it, and set that as the new one, and it'll allow you to continually increment the lifespan, so the bomb will never go down unless our player messes up. And keep in mind, you do have some functions you can override. You have the destroyed one, so if this receives a destroyed, it will go ahead and fire off, so you can know when something gets destroyed. So you could have the bomb take care of itself automatically. That is going to wrap up our lifespan nodes. They're useful if you want something to take care of itself, or you want to give something a lifespan.